what matters is that we hate each other as a family. Because nobody's better at hating us than we are.
Are you with me?
Hell no!
When Rooster Teeth started, we were a handful of friends in a spare bedroom, doing something for the fun and the passion of it on nights and weekends. And the spare bedroom got larger incrementally every few years, and we added a friend a year until it became like 7 or 8 best friends in a big spare bedroom. But that was the best time in my life.
You're throwing against the wall like a wet paper towel!
Don't go to college. Make videos on YouTube.
Leave the audience alone!
Get off my property. My wife will be like, who are you talking to? And I'm just like, everyone.
I would just like to say, Gavin, please come home.